Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing materials and making the first cuts. Trace a full-size number 2 template twice on a sturdy corrugated carton so you have front and back faces. Once traced, use a sharp craft knife and ruler to cut accurately along the outline. Clean edges matter for a snug fit. Then cut 5 to 2 inch strips for the side depth. These will wrap the perimeter. Make sure to label pieces so assembly stays simple. Continue by joining the side strips to the first face, pressing glue in short sections so the paper stays flat. For curves, score the inner flange to bend smoothly. Once the perimeter is attached, install interior braces at high-stress points. Folded strips glued vertically add rigidity and prevent sagging. After brace is set, apply glue evenly to the second face and align it carefully. Once positioned, press along seams and weight the standee so glue cures flat. Check alignment before the glue fully sets. To finish, trim any uneven edges and fill visible gaps with small paper patches and glue. Once dry, sand lightly for a smooth surface. Then prime the carton with a thin gesso or white primer. Paint your design using acrylics. Multiple thin coats give better coverage than one thick coat, and seal with a matte varnish to protect the finish. If the standee wobbles, add a rear support kickstand or glue a triangular base wedge. This simple brace almost always fixes balance issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.